Hey guys, my name is Real Crypto, and on this channel we'll talk about the hottest crypto projects and launches. Today we're going to talk about a really great new trading tool that will help you analyze the market, make better decisions, and of course, optimize your profits. But before that, as usual, I need to remind you, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is not a financial advice. Always do research, and let's check out today's tool.
Get money.
As I mentioned beginning, today we are talking about trading tools, and how to make more money while doing it. So today I want to talk about a platform, a product, indicator, algorithm. It's called PulseTrend. And as usual, I'm going to check out their website, all the different features. Also, they have a free trial. So if you don't have a big budget, this could be perfect for you because you can test it out and purchase if you like it. But so far, I had a really great experience. It works really well, and it really helps your trading flow because you get this third-party information, and sometimes it helps you make up your decisions to buy, to sell, what to do. And also, if you're new to trading, actually, this is not a new thing. Lots of professional traders have their own algorithms, their own indicators. But if you're new, or if you're a medium level trader, I would say like me, actually these kind of products could be really great to integrate in your trading to actually learn faster, grow faster, and of course, at the end of the day, make more money. So let's jump into the PulseTrend website, and they have this tagline: maximize your trading profits, advanced trading algorithms that will help you trade the trend till the end. And we have this really great explainer showing you what they're offering. So PulseTrend is an innovative indicator package available on TradingView. Actually, TradingView is the most popular platform for the charts. It enhances your trading by adding extra layer of confluence to your analysis, offering you a powerful edge in identifying key market opportunities. Traders leverage PulseTrend to spot these windows of opportunities and act decisively, backed by expert guidance and commitment to education. As I mentioned, this is a tool that will help you make better decisions, better trades, and of course, make you more money. Again, really great to have, even if you're starting off. And also, if you're more professional, this could be a really great tool to actually check your knowledge and can have a third party agree or disagree with your opinion. And we have some of the features, so you can see what is PulseTrend. So first of all, they offer trend detection, so advanced algorithms to identify market trends with a high accuracy. After that, real-time alerts, so instant notifications for potential trading opportunities. Basically, you get notification when there's buying or selling opportunity in the market. Again, really great to have. You don't have to sit on the computer all day. And lastly, multi-time frame analysis, so analyze markets across different time frames simultaneously. And we have different packages right here. As I mentioned, they have 3-day free trial. They are using Whoop platform. Actually, I use the same platform for my course, Me Money, the link in the description. So this is a really great platform. And as I mentioned, I tried it out. It looks really good. You can also do it for free for 3 days. So I think it's a no-brainer. Test it out. And you can see what's included. So you can see they have 2 packages, monthly and yearly. You get full access to the indicator, which is the main thing, the main product. Number 2, you actually get their Discord access, which is again really great. They have a premium Discord with a community who also likes to trade and use these kind of tools. You also get priority support. You also have educational resources, again, really great if you're starting out, and market analysis updates. I think it's a pretty good package. Free trials, of course, really great, but I think the pricing also for this package, especially the yearly package, is really, really cheap for what you get. We also have some of the examples of different indicators. So you can see some of the examples, how it all looks inside the platform, but also we can find it on their website. So how to start. So buy subscription, provide TradingView account. Again, you have to have TradingView account. Join Discord, explore tutorials, and trade responsibly. And if you jump in to their tutorials, we have this button right here. View full documentation and details on TradingView. And TradingView actually has examples and more information how it all works. Again, you can find all the links in the description, but you can see right here some of these signals. So you can see trend change, sell signals, bottoms. So for example, you can see we have right here micro gold futures, and the bot, the indicator told us to short, and it was right. You can see it was a big sell-off. And you can see lots of these buy signals, sell signals. We have bottom signals. So again, so far from these examples and from my experience, it works pretty well. Again, guys, remember, this is not magic. There's no winning actually indicator. This is just an indicator to help you make better decisions. At the end of the day, you have to make your final decision and you have to trade what you like. But these tools are here just to give you additional information for your trades. Again, additional information, additional additional tool. You don't have to copy it one-to-one because, again, as mentioned, this is not magic. This is just information, algorithms. And if you scroll down, we have more information actually how it all works. So if you plan to buy it, of course, check out all this info. Even on their main page, we have tutorials and what kind of signals can you expect. So they have bull signals, indicates a potential upwards trend, have bear signals, it's a reversal, short signal, money signals, identifies optimal profit taking opportunities. So basically, if you buy at this signal, you have to sell, and whale signals, detects potential market manipulation or significant institutional activity. Basically, yeah, the whales are buying. And again, if you scroll down, you can see some of the examples, how it all looks, but I recommend you to actually start the free trial and actually test it out yourself and see how it all works. And they even have these video tutorials showing you how their platform works, the walkthrough. Again, you can see the videos showing you how it all works. These are pretty long videos. So if you want to purchase, there's lots of info and even free trial for you to test it out. But so far, as I mentioned, I have a really great experience. It's a simple tool and you get lots of additional information. And of course, you can act on it or not act on it. And I think at the end of the day, the more information you get, the more tools you have when you're trading, the better decisions you will make. And of course, at the end of the day, it is your money. So guys, as usual, the link's in the description. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments or join our free Telegram in description and top comment. Subscribe and see you next time.
Get money.